In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the OpenArt error 400 quickly and safely. This error can appear when OpenArt has a temporary session problem, a routing issue in the website address, an unsupported prompt format, or an image-to-image file that is too large or incorrectly formatted. We'll go through each solution step by step, starting with the easiest fixes first. If this guide helps you, please tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more practical AI tool tutorials. Let's get started. First, refresh your OpenArt web session. Open the OpenArt dashboard in your browser, then look in the top right corner and click Log Out. After logging out, clear the browser cookies and site data for OpenArt. The exact steps depend on your browser, but you can usually click the lock icon beside the website address, open site settings, and clear the stored cookies or permissions. You can also open your browser settings, search for site data, and remove data specifically for OpenArt. Once that is complete, close the tab, open a new tab, return to OpenArt, and log back in. Try generating again. A corrupted or expired session cookie is a common reason an otherwise valid request produces an error 400. If the error is still appearing, check the website address in your browser's address bar. OpenArt can sometimes load with a routing or subdomain issue. Look carefully to see whether the address includes the www subdomain. If the current address is missing it, manually enter https://www.openart.ai in the address bar and press enter. If your browser is already using the www version, you can also try removing the subdomain and then allowing the site to redirect normally. The important point is to start from the official OpenArt address and let the website create a fresh route. After the page loads, sign in again and test the same action. Next, sanitize your text prompt. If your prompt is extremely long, reduce it to fewer than 500 words. Long prompts can sometimes cause requests to fail, especially when they contain unnecessary descriptions, repeated instructions, or large blocks of copied text. Keep only the essential information, such as the subject, style, composition, lighting, camera angle, and image quality. Also remove double quotation marks from the prompt. Instead of placing words inside quotation marks, rewrite the instruction using plain text. For example, rather than asking for a sign that says a phrase inside quotation marks, describe the sign and its text without using double quotes. After simplifying the prompt, try submitting it again. You should also review the wording for terms that may trigger automated safety or content filters. Remove sensitive, ambiguous, or potentially restricted words and replace them with neutral, descriptive language. Avoid trying to bypass safety systems. The goal is simply to make your prompt clear, appropriate, and less likely to be misunderstood by an automated filter. If you are unsure which phrase is causing the issue, test a very simple prompt first, then add details back gradually. This makes it easier to identify the specific word or section that is causing the error 400. The final major fix applies to image-to-image generation and inpainting. Check the reference image you uploaded and make sure it is saved as a standard JPG or PNG file. Other formats, unusual exports, or files with damaged metadata may not be accepted correctly. If necessary, open the image in a basic image editor and export it again as JPG or PNG. Next, reduce the image dimensions if it is extremely high resolution. Large images can exceed processing limits even when they look normal on your computer. Finally, confirm that the total file size is below 4 megabytes. If the file is larger, compress it, lower the quality slightly, or resize the image before uploading it again. After converting and resizing the image, remove the old upload from OpenArt, refresh the page, and upload the new file. Make sure the upload finishes completely before clicking Generate or starting the Inpainting process. If the request still fails, test the tool with a small JPG or PNG image and a short, simple prompt. If that works, the original problem was likely related to the file format, dimensions, file size, or prompt content. To recap, start by logging out, clearing OpenArt's site cookies, and logging back in. Then check the URL and try the official www.openart.ai address. Simplify your prompt to fewer than 500 words, remove double quotes, and replace sensitive wording with clear, neutral descriptions. For image-to-image and inpainting, use a standard JPG or PNG, reduce very large dimensions, and keep the upload under 4 megabytes. If this video helped you fix the OpenArt error 400, please like the video and subscribe for more AI software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.